No, that does look pretty awesome.
Yeah.
It might be up around it.
I'm getting a video of it. The line of doom. See how scary it looks in here?
See? Kind of spooky.
That'd be a
I think this. Oh! We got some good stuff. I think that's gonna be something bad. That's a cell. That's what that is. Because that's lower than the rest. And it's moving really fast. And it's circulating. Look, that's going that way, that one's going that way.
Well, I noticed that it's kind of like twisting, you know?
Yeah! Sir, we are fucked. Sir? Drive?
You get a little scared, whatever.
What do we do? It's getting close. I got 40 seconds left. It's getting strong. The wind just picked up and this weird cloud is coming towards us. No, we're fine. Oh, damn, look at that!
Yeah, it's just going together right there.
Woo!
Oh, sir? Sir?
Let's just wait.
Sir?
Let's wait. Pussy, what are you doing?